guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to give you guys a very quick video. It's going to be just a life update, very quick. I just want to let you guys know what's been going on and what is to come. Basically the last month, because y'all know I've been pretty consistent, like very consistent on my channel, but the last month I have not been consistent, and I've been getting a lot of you guys reaching out to me on Instagram, just asking me questions about my YouTube channel and asking me like, where have I been? And not that I have been anywhere. You guys seen my Thanksgiving video, or you seen it was posted, and you also seen my Christmas video. Probably didn't watch it, but it was posted. But a lot of people have been asking me like, oh, when are you posting your next lock video, or when are you posting your next video in general? But yeah, I'm just coming here to give you guys a very quick update. Basically the last month, if you've been watching me for a while, you know a few months ago I told you guys I was going to be starting school in December to be an esthetician. An esthetician is basically like a facial specialist. I do facial. I specialize in skincare. I specialize in waxing and body hair removal. I specialize in being a licensed makeup artist, things like that. And that has always been a very big dream of mine. More so makeup than skincare. Skincare is something that came to me because I had very, very bad acne at one point in my life, and I couldn't really afford all those special treatments that like people get, like, or even afford like what Proactive, if you may say, like stuff like that I couldn't even afford. So I had to come up with a holistic way to cure my own skin. And if I show you up close, you can see here, a lot of people don't really see that, but you see those dents and pits that I have in my skin? That is from very severe acne that I used to have. And I didn't have acne 3 or 4 or cystic acne. I just had a very, very crazy form of acne. It wasn't anything dramatic. I don't have acne anymore. From what y'all see, my skin is pretty clear these days. I do have a pimple here, but now that I'm an esthetician, pimples intrigue me, so I'm going to show y'all my pimples. But I had a very bad acne, and I had to basically heal myself. I had to get my skin together on my own. And during the process of me healing myself, which took me about a whole year to get my skin from being, I don't have any pictures because I didn't take pictures. I hated my skin. I hated my skin. I hated myself, to be honest. Like, I felt so ugly. The way I felt made me study skincare, and it made me look into skincare on my own, and it made me pursue skincare. And then when I realized how easy it is to basically heal yourself, it made me dig deeper. So skincare has become a very big part of my life. Makeup was always important because I had such bad acne. I got into makeup, and I got interested into makeup because I wanted to cover that acne. That's why I just wanted to give you guys a backstory on why I got into being an esthetician and why I was so interested in skincare. And I want to make people feel the same way I feel today, and I want to let people know you don't have to do all this expensive stuff. Well, no, I wouldn't say not expensive. It's expensive. Your girl about to get paid. You don't have to do all these drastic measures. Like, you can do you can take the holistic route, and you can have beautiful skin. I want to be the person for other people that I didn't have. And I never really incorporated skincare into my YouTube channel. I always wanted to, but I didn't know how. Now I know how, but we're gonna get there. And me also being a big lover of makeup caused me to want to start my YouTube channel. So I did start my YouTube channel for makeup, and it was, when I first started my YouTube channel, it was only for makeup. I'm like, I want to be a big beauty guru. I want to do makeup tutorials every day and post videos and da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And now my YouTube is something completely different. I'm still gonna be doing a lot of makeup tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I'm still gonna be doing, well, let me take that back. I haven't done makeup tutorials on my YouTube channel in a while because I had an issue with my eyeballs, and it was hard for me to sit in front of bright lights because my eyes became so sensitive. I pretty much have that contained. I also have a special form of lights that I ordered that are dimmable, and I have a really good camera that allows me to look like I'm sitting in a bright setting, but I'm probably halfway, like right now, my apartment's pretty dark, but to y'all, it looks pretty bright, and I can make it even brighter. Let me show you. That's bright. That's bright, that's bright. Now that I have an amazing camera, which I have invested so much into my cameras and my equipment, my editing software, my computers, my laptops, I have invested so much, me and Courtney actually, we have invested so much into this YouTube thing becoming real for me, because she knows it's a passion I love. Hopefully YouTube can be a full-time job one day, but maybe it will, maybe it won't, but I'm not gonna stop. YouTube for me right now is just a hobby. I really love connecting with you guys. It actually does pay the bills because a lot of you guys have come from my YouTube channel and you come over to meeting Courtney and getting your hair done. And I wanna say about 50 to 75 of y'all are Courtney's clients. Like, y'all come to her every month to get y'all hair done, which I really appreciate. But yeah, YouTube actually does pay my bills in that aspect. Now I'm not getting a YouTube check, even though I have gotten a YouTube check, which was like $30. But school for the last month has really just taken over my life. I haven't had time to edit. I haven't had time to even record. Even if I had time to edit, I don't even have time to record. And when I do get time to record, it's just like, not the right time because my energy is not right and I don't want to half-ass a video with my energy. I don't want to come off like, oh, hey guys, welcome back. Like yesterday, example. Yesterday I went to sleep at 6:15 p.m. and slept until 5:15 a.m. And that was natural. That was on my own. I was gone. I went from just living an everyday life to having to retain medical information and retain scientific information and retain everyday information. And now I'm just like, my brain is in overdrive all the time. And it's gonna be this way for the next 8 months. The school that I'm going to is 9 months and I graduate this upcoming August. And it's been really great. I have taken 4 tests so far. I passed 3 of those tests with a A+. And today I failed my first test. I'm not disappointed in myself. I knew I was gonna fail because I didn't fully apply myself, and I knew that like when you fail a test in my school, you get 3 times to retake it. If you have to take the test 3 times and you fail it each time, you just don't care. As a woman, we all have those days in our period where we don't give a fuck. Like we just have that one day every so often in our period where we will risk it all. We don't give a shit. And today was that day for me, so I didn't study for my test. I didn't do anything. I just was like, screw it. I'm gonna retake the test on Thursday. I cannot be bothered. School has taken over my life. School has completely taken over my life, and I'm definitely, right now, the first month was very frustrating to me and stressful, but now I have kind of found a balance. I have written down a schedule for me to edit, a schedule for me to do my homework, and with me being able to get both done. I used to upload videos every 5 days, but now I'm gonna be uploading a video every just once a week. And I think, don't quote me on this, but I think that once a week upload day is gonna be on Sundays, so look forward to me posting on Sundays. And I think that's just how it's gonna be until I get done with school. And I don't wanna say until I get done with school. The program that I'm in is 9 months, and we have the first 12 weeks are essentials. And it seems like after I get done with essentials is when you learn everything, like you're learning everything, right? Like today we had waxing. Today I got my underarm waxed by one of my classmates, and tomorrow I'll be getting to wax somebody. I'll try to record it and put it in this upcoming video. But yeah, school has been taking over my life, but I think I'm finally, I don't even want to say I think, I'm at a point where I finally have some balance, and I feel like I can sit down and tell y'all that I have come to that balance. It seems like I'm going to be posting a video once a week, and I want to say that day is going to be on Sundays. Just, we'll see. We're just going to go with it. And I just want to tell you guys, if I don't get to post a video a week, just, it's school. If I don't get to post a video, I hope it's not going to be that way, but what? Essentials is 12 weeks, and this is my 4th week, so I have 8 more weeks of essentials. So at least for the next 8 weeks, I know y'all gonna be getting a video once a week. If I give you more than 1 video a week, y'all just go with it. Don't say nothing, don't do nothing, just love it. Like the video, support me, because I'm having a nervous breakdown over here, y'all. It was a point where I told Courtney, I broke down to Courtney and started crying, and I was like, I don't want to do YouTube anymore. I'm gonna throw the camera in the trash. I'm gonna sell my camera. I'm gonna throw the laptop out. I don't care anymore. I don't want to do YouTube. It's not doing shit for me. I'm over it. Like, you know, you just have a mental breakdown and you just be super like irrational. That was me. I was like, I don't care about YouTube anymore. Fuck it. I don't want to do it. Fuck this stupid recording shit. It's not doing anything for me. I'm over it. I'm done. I don't even know why I started YouTube in the first place. And then I had a bunch of you on Instagram like, hey Alicia, when you post your next video? Hey Alicia, miss you. Like, what's going on? Hello, hello. And I'm just like, oh, they kind of love me, I guess. I'm back to being rational, and I'm definitely gonna continue my YouTube channel. YouTube is my favorite hobby. It's my only hobby, actually. Sorry if this video is talkative, but I'm really just speaking off the dome. I don't have nothing written down. I'm just telling y'all what's on my mind. And what I'm thinking is, once essentials is done with school, the rest of the 9 months, to finish out the rest of the 9 months, I'm gonna be on the floor and actually giving facials. You know how school is. When you're a cosmetologist, you go to school, you learn the stuff, and then you get on the floor and you start doing real client hair until you graduate and get those hours. For me, I have to do 750 hours to become an esthetician, and then I take my state board test to become licensed and be able to go out in the world and work in a salon, spa area, or work for myself in a salon suite, whatever comes with it. Sorry, I'm spitting a lot. I've been in school for 4 weeks, so technically I should only have 8 more weeks until I get on the floor, but she told us today we have 10 more weeks, so let's switch that. 10 more weeks of essentials. But I'm thinking once essentials is done, life should kind of go back to normal, and I should be able to get back to that 2 videos a week. But I'm not really sure, but I will definitely be updating you guys in the future. But I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on and why I've been slacking. I'm not being lazy. I've been busting my ass, y'all. Don't shit come easy, so it's expected, but I never considered the fact that I would have to rebalance and recenter my entire life. And that's where I'm at now. I'm at a point where I'm just trying to figure things out. But I do want to let y'all know school has been amazing. I have amazing classmates, and that made it easier because I think I told you guys in a couple of vlogs ago, Thanksgiving, that I was super worried about going into a place with working with people because I have anxiety, and I'm a one-on-one person. I'm not a multiple people at a time kind of person. So I thank God that I have very amazing classmates. Our class is like a little family. Like, I really like it. That's really it. I love my classmates. They're really supportive. They're very my classmates are very teamwork oriented, which I love. And I actually can see myself being very close friends with some of my classmates after school. Like, some of them are cool in school, but I see a couple of them that I'm like, I can really fuck with you, like, out of school after graduation, like watch my kids when I have some. Like, some of my classmates are actually like really amazing people. So that did make starting school a lot easier. It made starting school so much easier, and I want to say I'm very grateful for that. If I called up any of my classmates today and said, I need help, can you help me study, can you help me with the homework, can you help me with the questions, they would be on it. They would be ready to help. They would be ready, like, what do you need, what didn't you understand? Like, they are really good people, and I have to say that is the top thing I'm grateful for, because to be surrounded by people who care and be surrounded by people who are willing to help you and have such a good work ethic and teamwork mindset, it makes it that much more. Because even the days that I give up, I have somebody pushing me. Like, I have somebody pushing me, telling me like, no, let's do this, let's get this. Like, if you don't understand it, let me help you understand it. Or if I don't understand it, help me understand it. Like, it's just an amazing environment to be in. I'm gonna stop bragging about my classmates. The moral of this life update was to let y'all know that my videos are gonna slow down a little bit, but they're not gonna stop. I'm not giving up on YouTube. Actually, once my life picks back up and school is not so pounding on me, YouTube is still gonna be the most important thing going on to me, because YouTube has always been the most important thing going on. Because before I started school, I was just going to work every day. That's all I was doing, was going to work every day and making money. And I was like, I want a career. Like, I have a job, but I want a career. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm pursuing a career. And the last thing I wanted to mention was, I know you guys were watching my vlogs, and I did mention that we were looking into moving, and we did look into an apartment or something. We did get approved for the apartment, but the apartment was in a shitty neighborhood in Chicago, and the apartment was beautiful, but the neighborhood was garbage. So we did not wind up moving into this. So now at this point, I think me and Courtney are just waiting until I get done with school, or maybe until this summer, to look into an apartment. But we definitely have the finances, we definitely have the credit scores, we have all that stuff to move. But it's not good timing, because we're in the midst of opening up the new shop. And Courtney said, we both decided that we are going to open up the shop first, and then we're going to move into a new apartment separate. So apartment is going to be on the back burner for now, because the shop is more important, because the shop is going to bring in the money for us to get the new apartment. That's going to be our sole income, us owning the shop and us making money through the shop, and me graduating, getting my license, and me starting to build my own clientele up. It's going, because once I start building my clientele up, I know waxing is probably going to be the main thing I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing lots of facials. Even though I'm going to be a licensed makeup artist, I'm not going to be doing much makeup. I just love makeup on myself and on my family members and people close to me. But waxing and facials and being a skincare specialist is going to be the sole way that I make money. We're going to be making double the income we make now, like literally double the income we make now. So that's just everything that's on the back burner. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on, what's to come, and just what's on my mind, and where I've been, and why my channel has slowed down a little bit. But y'all gonna have to bear with me, because life happens, and that's what's happening with me right now. Life is just happening right now for me, and it's all for the better good. I'm in school, I'm bettering myself, but it doesn't make things not hard. Like, things have been hard, things have been a little bit difficult, because I'm just learning how to rebalance myself, and I have new things in my life. I have a lot of great things coming. We're working on a lot of great things. We even started working on a product line that's going to be underneath the grooming artist, and the product line is going to be called the Grooming Essentials. The cats are fighting again. As far as what you can see, things have slowed down, but as far as over here, things have picked up. School, business, we starting a company. I'm in school, I'm getting my license. YouTube has been doing great, but y'all really haven't been able to see much because I haven't had time for YouTube. I'm gonna stop rambling. That's pretty much everything. My next video is gonna be me just kicking off and showing you guys what's been going on, and I'm gonna just try to get back into the swing of things. But I felt like with all the questions that I've had and all you guys reaching out to me on social media, I wanted to give you guys some answers on what's been going on. And that's just it. So be patient with me, be supportive, help me manifest, and we're gonna have some greatness in 2020. 2020 is looking pretty good. 2020 is feeling really great, and I just need support, patience, and manifestation at this point. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for your continuous support. Stay tuned for my next video, which will be my morning routine since I've started school, my new morning routine, because I go to school every day except for Saturdays and Sundays. I refuse. But yeah, just stay tuned for my next videos, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.